Alright, so now we're going to take a look at openings here. We'll go ahead and work with the interior space once again. So I'll be referencing those notes. We have here an offset from the inside edge of the base wall. We got about 1 foot 8¼ inches. So again, if I switch layers, here's another tool. You can use this button and then select an entity in the drawing area, and it'll make that entity's layer current. So that's another easy way to switch layers, is use make objects layer current. That way I can draw an exterior construction line at this base and then use my offset tool. We'll do 1 foot 8-1/4, and this represents the center of the opening. Okay, now we've got a 3 foot opening, so we'll offset 1 foot 6 inches on either side of that, and that'll be the opening that we'll create there. Now you can approach this any way you like. If you find it easier just to do all of the center lines and left-right edges, you can do that, but you're going to get a lot of construction lines in your drawing view. So here, what I would recommend is you could just go ahead and use trim, TR for trim, select your 2 edges, enter, and then zoom in so you can trim both the finish and the base wall. Okay, now as I remove those construction lines there, you should see the closure of those walls, right? Okay, and then we could proceed. In the master bedroom up here, we've got an offset of 2 feet 9¾ to the center of our 5 foot closet door. So if I come down here, I've already got my construction line on the edge of the base. If I offset 2 feet 9-3/4, that should give me the center. Now I can offset 2 feet 6 inches on either side. Okay, and then once again, what you want to do here is to trim, use those construction lines, trim away your finish and your base wall there. And then you could just remove the excess construction lines there. All right, now the next opening we got is also in the same bedroom. We got the 3 foot opening there, and you'll notice that this is like a Jack and Jill bath, where we got the opposite opening, same offset from the exterior wall, same width. We've got a smaller opening here of 2-4. So let's take a look. Pay attention also to where you're dimensioning the center lines of those openings. This is from the center of the interior wall, and this is going to be from the edge of the exterior wall. Let's go ahead and start with the 2 door openings there. Okay, once again, we can do construction line V for vertical. Start at the base of the wall there. We'll go ahead and offset 4 feet 9 inches from right to left. We'll go ahead and offset 1 foot 6 inches to the right and to the left, and then go ahead and trim. So at the same time I can at the same time I'll use both of these edges here to trim both pairs of walls. So we got the finish, base, finish, and the base. And then over here we've got an offset of 1 foot 6 inches. So 1 foot 6 inches to the center. We've got a 2'4" door there, so we can offset 1 foot 2 inches or 14 inches on either side. Offset 14 to the top and to the bottom. Once again, trim. Using the 2 construction lines here, we'll trim off the finish and the base. Alright, we just have the second bedroom here. We've got our closet door and then the bedroom door. So this is 5 feet opening. And we've got an offset from the edge of the wall of 2 feet. Let's double check that again. Actually, that's from this wall right here. So let's put in our construction line at the base of this wall. And the offset that's shown there is 2 feet 7 3/4. So offset 2 feet 7 3/4 from the top towards the bottom here. We'll offset 2 feet on either side, or 24 inches. And then go ahead and trim. Now we just have the last door over here. I just like to clean up all of these construction lines here too. Okay, so now down here we've got a construction line at the base of the exterior wall, and then we could offset that 1 foot 11 inches, and then offset again 1 foot 6 inches. Okay. All right, so now we can take a look at making our door and window blocks.